Guys, it's JFA5252 here. I just woke up. It's 10:08. Today we're gonna be doing some Lego builds, freestyle, jailbreak cars. Yeah. There's also gonna be a Lego set build where I built a Ferrari, an actual jailbreak Ferrari. So it's gonna cost me $20. So please like on that video. It's gonna be maybe uploaded next week. A month is the latest. My mom said maybe $100 could be the limit, and I'm like, yeah. So we're gonna get right into today's video. Like, subscribe at the bell, turn on push notifications. We're gonna get right into the video. First car, we're going to be building the pickup truck from Jailbreak. Let's do this. My dad's literally taking forever to get the Legos. Those Legos, each thing weighs like 30 pounds. There's no way I can lift that. I probably could, but I can lift 40 pounds, so might be able to. I'm not sure. Okay. My dad's taking so long, and he's finally going to get the Legos right now so he can build the pickup truck from Jailbreak. Let's go. You might have seen my other jailbreak video. I did a jailbreak video. The thumbnail is basically me just running through the jewelry store lobby, so it's kind of a dumb thumbnail. Quick disclaimer for this video, I'm actually not going to be using wheels because I'm going to be using way too many views. Well, I mean, way too many wheels if I use wheels, because then I'm going to be using like 90 billion% of my wheels, and I only have 10%. So, yeah. Yeah, this is going to be the first piece for the bed of the truck. Could be the piece of a wall, I don't really know. Should I build a Bugatti first? I don't know. I'm not really sure. Okay, let's start building. So, I'm thinking like, I don't really know. Let's actually do this. I put like the windshield there. I feel like that's too long for the bed. I'm not sure. Hey viewers, is it okay if I use blue for the windshield? Because I can't find any black. Yeah, I think I can.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
It's actually way harder than I expected. I didn't even know Jailbreak. It's just hard to make a CMO. A CMO, please fix Jailbreak. It's broken. Because all the hackers are coming back and they're hacking everybody, and then everybody's getting so mad. And then because I got hacked yesterday in Roblox, in Jailbreak, and a CMO didn't even do anything about it. Quick detour. I'm actually messing up really bad. I even misplaced the thingy, so it's way harder than I expected. I don't think we're making much progress here. We're making a bit of progress. I'm not really sure if I can say that's progress, but I can kind of see it's a bit of progress. I'm not really sure. It's kind of not really good. I just gotta add in one more block. I don't know the exact blocks. It kind of looks really bad. We're making a bit of progress here, kind of. No! It keeps coming apart. Technical difficulties. Oh my god, I gotta go get more Legos. At this point, I'm just gonna take cars from here. I'm just gonna take pieces from here. Oh my god.
Bruh.
This is so hard. I can't even find the right pieces.
お前はもう死んでいる。何？
It's actually taking so long. We haven't made much progress. I think I'm only going to build a truck in this video. It kind of looks really stupid. It's very stupid-like. It doesn't go that fast. It's really just a plain old weird dumb truck. I'm just using wall pieces because there's literally nothing at this point. There's nothing at this point. I'll need to put in a light of nothing. The light of nothing. Yeah. This is literally so hard. I know I've said it 1,000,000 times. I should probably end the video here. No. Let's keep going. You're neat. If you guys want to see future videos, go like, subscribe to the bell, turn on those post notifications. Please subscribe, or don't. But subscribe to Ryan Line 9000. Oh yes, and to mention Sting Pong video coming up very soon. Yes, very soon there's gonna be a Sting Pong video with Ryan the Lion 9000 in it. That's gonna be in a few months. Here we go. Let's take this flip-in piece off. Gotta do that to give me extra power. It doesn't even work. Extra power. Kinda looks a bit right. I'm not sure if that looks right to you guys. It looks like a headlight almost. So hard, actually. No, like I'm actually not joking. It's really hard. I'm gonna do this. Yeah. I think this might look like a truck to you. I'm not really sure. Just gotta put in the wheels and stuff. I don't even know what to do now at this point. I'm gonna put in the front wheels. It looks so bad. Now we're gonna put this in. There. This next one looks really stupid when I show it to you. It's gonna look so stupid. It's gonna look like the new thing from Roblox. I'm sorry for all the sound effects in the video. There's so many sound effects. There might be one more sound effect. I don't know, I found so many sound effects. That was one of the annoying ones my dad hates. My dad hates the uni. That sound effect I put in. I'm gonna show you it in 3, 2, 1. Go. Looks really bad and stuff. It's so fast. It's got a V8 engine. Yeah, that's basically it. How good does it look? Yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like, subscribe, hit the bell, turn on the switch notifications. You never miss out on a brand new video. Please subscribe. You can always unsubscribe. Yeah. Like, subscribe for more trashy trucks. Okay, the Ferrari's gonna be more professional. I promise. Yeah.